to the, like what? I'm gonna go get out puzzles.
Action.
I'm bored. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna do something, but I don't know what to do. So I don't know what to do. I have no friends, and I don't know what happened to my family. And I am ADHD, and I fucking hate this shit. That looks like a tasty shoe.
Action.
This is a tasty motherfucking shoe. Anyways, I don't know what my dad's up to. Go.
You see me?
Yeah, go.
I want to do something. You know, do your homework and go to bed. But I don't want to, Dad. You do it like this.
Okay.
Action.
I don't know what to do, and I'm pretty bored, and I'm gonna sneak out my fucking house, but I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna do something, but I don't know. Should I do something bad? I'm an ADHD, and I hate staying still, and I hate staying still, and I love my fit.
Pause it. Action.
I'm gonna play on my girl toy. Hee 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 hee. I hate having girl toys. Pause it.
Action.
I'm gonna play on my. Shut the fuck up, bitch! Before a bitch.
Love and cuddle.
Ugh.
Action.
I'm climbing now, but I wanna do something.
Action.
Surprise, motherfucker! Let's go kiss my black ass girlfriend. Oh, let's kiss my black ass girlfriend.
Action.
Oh, this feels good. I want to push my. Bye.
Action.
I thought they were supposed to be in bed. I was, Daddy. I was daydreaming. Hey, Daddy. It's not. How can I be doing that? No, don't do that. No. You're not a fucking racket. Daddy? Why do you have dirt in it? Are you kissing that toy again? It's not a toy. It's my black ass girlfriend. I like to go like this. Hey. Fucking Are you Gordy?
Action.
Daddy, she's not a black cat. She's my girlfriend. Yeah, she is your black cat. Don't talk to my girlfriend. Oh, don't talk to my girlfriend like that. Don't talk to her. Fine, pretend, but she's a toy. Shut the fuck up.
Action.
Now he's gonna think she's cheating on him.
Action.
You are cheating on me. You fucking cheater, bitch. I don't want to see you right now.
Action.
You kissed me, black fucking bitch. And now you're gonna pay for it, bitch.
Oh. Action.
Daddy, guess what? My black ass bitch cheated on me with the froggy. I guess you weren't ready. You'll see, Daddy. Pause it. Wait, no, I have to be. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Action. Okay, YouTube. We're new to this YouTube. And here's our star. His name is Alex, or should we name him Jack? But we're going to keep him as Jack. So I hope you guys like that film. But don't end yet, or don't leave yet, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm going to comb his ugly ass hair. Well, I guess you can't comb it. But subscribe if you guys want more. And we'll make up names and probably get more puppets and do more YouTube videos. I deleted a bunch of my old videos, even my gaming ones, but I'm going to do gaming. And so, anyways, I hope you guys like this video, and whoever are those 2 subscribers, I accept your guys' support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.